And we begin this edition of The Biggest Story with breaking news coming in. We've accessed the FIR copy that has been filed by the CBI in Vasuli Gate, and this FIR copy makes some very sensational revelations. The FIR copy states that prima facie case has been made out against Anil Deshmukh to obtain an undue advantage for improper and dishonest performance of public duty. There are more shocking revelations in this FIR copy that has been filed by the Central Bureau of Investigation. Niranjan joins us from the Mumbai newsroom to give us more details. Niranjan, can you read out the FIR copy for our viewers?
Yeah, Sanika, we have the FIR copy, and we know that the case was filed by the CBI this morning, but going by the details of this FIR, raising some very, very serious questions, making some big mentions. Just to give you an idea about what the CBI has mentioned in its FIR, while searching, raiding Anil Deshmukh, they've spoken about prima facie evidence. I have the full FIR copy with me. In fact, let me read out some of what the FIR states. The CBI in its FIR has said, and I quote, it says, I'm going to read out from this complaint against Shri Anil Deshmukh, the then Home Minister, Government of Maharashtra, and unknown others on the basis of the finding of the preliminary inquiry. So this was on the basis of the preliminary inquiry. The court was given 15 days to, the court had given the CBI 15 days to go through the entire case and make preliminary findings. And after the preliminary findings, the CBI has filed the FIR. Now, what have they found in the FIR? Let me get straight to the details. The CBI has gone into great detail about why they are looking into this case against Anil Deshmukh. Now, let me tell you that the CBI here in its FIR says that pursuant to the order of preliminary inquiry number dated 6th of April 2021, registered an FIR registered in CBI against Shri Anil Deshmukh, the then Home Minister, Government of Maharashtra, others unknown, and was assigned to the undersigned for the conducting of the inquiry. Now, they say, as per the preliminary inquiry, and this is for the first time since the CBI got into the extortion racket investigation, for the first time they're getting into the details of what was found, what they suspect, and how far the case could go. The CBI says in its FIR that the preliminary inquiry prima facie revealed that a cognizable offence is made out in the matter. I repeat, the CBI says that prima facie preliminary inquiry reveals that a cognizable offence is made out in the matter, wherein the then Home Minister of Maharashtra, Shri Anil Deshmukh, and unknown others have attempted to obtain undue advantage for improper and dishonest performance of their public duty. Enquiry has also revealed that Shri Sachin Vaze, Assistant Police Inspector, Mumbai Police, had been reinstated into the police force after being out of the police service for more than 15 years. The enquiry further revealed that Shri Sachin Vaze was entrusted with most of the sensational and important cases of the Mumbai police, and that the then Home Minister was in knowledge of the said fact. It goes into other details, but I think the news point is in the first two paragraphs, where the CBI in its FIR has mentioned that a cognizable offence is prima facie made out in the matter, wherein the then Home Minister of Maharashtra, Shri Anil Deshmukh, and unknown others have attempted to obtain undue advantage for improper, dishonest performance of their duty. It goes on to talk about Sachin Vaze, Assistant Police Inspector, now suspended. Mumbai Police had reinstated him into the police force after he was out of the police service for more than 15 years. Enquiry further revealed that Shri Sachin Vaze was entrusted with most of the sensational and important cases of the Mumbai City Police, and that the then Home Minister was in knowledge of the said fact. So prima facie, if an offence is made out, that's not good news for Anil Deshmukh. Yesha is also joining us live. Let me go across to her. Yesha, why don't you take us through the details and why this could mean more trouble for the Mahavikas Aghadi government?
So, FIR copy that has been accessed clearly says that an FIR has been registered under Prevention of Corruption Act, and it goes on to further verify the fact that that an undue advantage was taken of the position by Anil Deshmukh. So as a result of which, this ends up saying that when Paramveer Singh had alleged that it was Anil Deshmukh, then Home Minister of Maharashtra, Anil Deshmukh, who had asked all the police officers, like some of the police officers, to extort money worth rupees 100 crores under the Vasuli Gate from bars and restaurants. This is to further understand the entire allegations leveled by Parambir Singh. So what happened this morning, I'll ask my VJ to also show you the pictures from where we are right now. We are at this particular residence of Anil Deshmukh at Worli, Sukhad residence. So this morning, what we saw was there are 3 teams of CBI officials, as we know of right now, who had visited multiple locations. So 3 locations is what we confirm, but CBI has said multiple locations. They are yet to clarify as to how many locations were raided, but this is one of the locations which was raided, and there were 3 teams, one at Nagpur, one at Worli, and the other one at his former official bungalow, that is the Gyaneshwari, which is bang opposite Varsha bungalow at Malabar Hill. These teams went and they raided the place. Now, why this raid was conducted was 15 days back, Anil Deshmukh was called in for questioning at CBI office at the DRDO office. And at this DRDO office, he was questioned, and following which they were conducting a preliminary inquiry. This preliminary inquiry is on the basis of the order, which has also been mentioned in the FIR copy that's been accessed by us. And in this FIR copy, it's clearly mentioned that on the basis of that order, the preliminary inquiry was conducted, and on the basis of this preliminary inquiry, is when this FIR has been filed. Yes, Sanika.
Yes, and Yesha, as you were also saying that there are some very sensational details in this FIR copy that have been mentioned, especially in connection with Sachin Vaze as well, isn't it, Niranjan? Because this FIR copy states that Sachin Vaze was given most important cases within the knowledge of Anil Deshmukh as well. And like Yesha was saying, there were some raids also conducted at his Nagpur residence. We have a reaction of Anil Deshmukh coming in just after the raids concluded. Let's listen into what Anil Deshmukh said.
सीबीआई की टीम सर्च करने आई थी, उन्होंने जो भी कानून सर्च किया उसको हमने पूरा कोऑपरेट किया। सीबीआई की टीम सर्च करने आई थी, उन्होंने जो भी कानून सर्च किया उसको हमने पूरा कोऑपरेट किया।
So that was Anil Deshmukh saying that he will cooperate with the investigation that is underway. And just giving a recap to our viewers of what the FIR copy states. It states that CBI is saying that there is prima facie case made out against Anil Deshmukh. There's a case of improper performance of public duty. FIR also states that Sachin Vaze was given most important cases within the knowledge of the former Home Minister, Anil Deshmukh. And we'll keep tracking this developing story about the CBI investigation into Vasuli Gate